Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're looking at the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado is featured in a white paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. Under the hood is our 5.3-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, as well as our 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 6-passenger seating on our jet black cloth seating surfaces. Bench seating in the front in a 40-20-40 folding format, with the center seat being a center console. We also have a driver information system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a backup camera. Outside the vehicle we have our black alloy Trail Boss rims, as well as our soft rolling tonneau cover. Now starting off in the front of our Silverado, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, as well as some storage and our speaker. Just inside the vehicle, to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer mode, transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive, as well as lighting controls and an electronic parking brake. Moving to our front seats, we got 3 of them, all finished in our jet black cloth. We're getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system, and we can actually just control it from the knob on the right-hand side of it. You can see we have trip computers, as well as digital speedometer, and much more. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings. Wiper controls are behind, and then we have a column shifter on the right. Keyed ignition with our wireless key fob with a remote start and power tailgate function, as well as alarms and locks and unlocks. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth media, phone connection, or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as trailer light controls, OnStar, settings, our 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and our backup camera with adaptive and our cruise or hitch guidelines. Below we have home, seek, hands-free, and volume controls. Climate control with a single zone, front and rear defrost, AC, as well as temp and fan controls on either side. Across the bottom, downhill assist, our powered tailgate, alarms or hazard lights, and traction control. Integrated trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB, 12-volt, and 120-volt plug for power in the front of the vehicle. Center seat is also our center console combo. We have storage throughout with 2 cup holders, as well as some deep storage in the back. You can lift it up to lock it into place, and we have our release down the side. Then lastly, moving above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings, as well as our dome lights with our dome lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, before our front door we have our Z71 off-road badging. Moving to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and altering tire. Black capped mirrors, black capped door handles, as well as a black assist step across the bottom of the vehicle and a 2-inch lift. Moving to the back, we have Trail Boss badging, as well as our corner bumper step. Chevrolet etched into our tailgate, as well as Silverado in custom in chrome. Dual chrome exhaust tips and a trailer tow hitch in the center. Have our powered tailgate in the back of the vehicle. We can just press it and it will release. Inside the bed of the truck, in-bed lighting, cable tie downs in both the front and the back, as well as our spray-on bed liner. Above, we have our soft rolling tonneau cover. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have 2 vents between the 2 front seats. Also have some all-weather rubber mats throughout the floors. Second row seat is a 60-40 fold-up split, finished in our jet black cloth. If we lift up on the front of the seat, can lock it into place and make a little bit of additional storage space. As mentioned before, a 60-40 split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.